so we're gonna wait for it to get nice and hot. You can tell when it's starting to get really warm, when the color starts changing. You might be able to tell. There's small spots here and there where it's starting to become more of a darker brown, reddish color. All right, so it's nice and clean. It's been heating up for about 5 minutes. Let's go with our first round of this oil. Alright, you're gonna see it start getting real smoky. We're just gonna wait till this initial layer of oil starts burning out. Oh yeah, now it's starting to get real smoky. As you can see, all this color right over here it's starting to get nice and dark and burnt and black. Alright, so it's been about a solid 20 minutes. Let's go for the second round. Now, how about that? Yoinks. Smell it from right now. It smells amazing. It smells great. It smells like it's ready. It's been about 25 minutes, I'd say, more or less. You can see certain parts of it where it's starting to get really nice white hot steel. We're gonna wait about 5 more minutes and then go in for a third round, third coating. I'd say, heck, you can probably start grilling some stuff on it right now. Looks good to go. I'm gonna go for a third coating, just to be nice and safe. It's been about 30 minutes since we started. Let's get a third round. Third coating, we'll call it a day. How about that, huh? All right, so it's been about a solid 45 minutes since we started. It's looking like it's really nice and hot. Mainly focusing around the centers, as you can tell, kind of where the heat source is coming from. Around the edges, it's looking like it's not getting that much heat. It's not really seasoning as well as the center parts. Hey, I'm satisfied. I'm not really gonna cook a burger right here in the corner anyway. Toss a little bit of oil, a little something. Get some of these slivered onions I just took care of. Now let's turn this all on low, because these guys are at 1,000,000 degrees right now. A tablespoon of some of your finest butter in. Let it get to know each other. Yeah, right here, this is just a simple blend of some SPG, some salt, pepper, some garlic powder. Get this all up in there. All right, so The onions are getting some color, smelling amazing. We're gonna give it a couple more minutes. We're gonna cover them up and throw some burgers on it. How about that? All right, now we're gonna make our smash burgers. So I'm getting these burgers. They're pretty big for smash burgers, but you know what? Hey, the bigger is better. Never hurt nobody, right? So we get this burger. That's it right over here. Ooh, if it doesn't sound like that, then it's not ready. This is right. Let's start out making 4. Gonna get a little crust on one side real quick. Give it a good, 10, 15, 20 seconds. Now we're coming in hot. Oh, it's butter. There we are. All right, so go get yourself a nice little scraper. I got this industrial size one. Next up, have your little blend of some salt, pepper, garlic. I do about 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 of black pepper. Just hit a little bit on that. You're not got some good old American cheese, and I'm talking about this plastic stuff. All right, if you ain't got this plastic stuff, you ain't doing it right. All right, got these guys cheesed up nice and real good. Move these guys a little closer to each other. Nice and friendly. All right, there you go. You gotta get this water. A little bit of water. Seal it up. Oh, I forgot to take this. Cut. All right, while this is all going down, we're gonna make our special burger sauce. We're gonna get some of this, some mayo as the base. Gotta get some of this ketchup in, right? For color. Some of this mustard for kick. And lastly, gotta get this relish for crunch. Alright, you gotta mix this all together. We'll be back after we mix this up. Burger sauce, we got the burgers getting nice in there. We got the onions. Throw a little bit of this butter on here. Make a nice home for our buns, huh? All right, so the buns, nice and toasted. Now's the best part, the stacking. Hoo-wee, look at that guy. Look at that guy. One guy, 2 guys. Get some of this onion on top, huh? Oh man. Where'd that top one go? Oh. Yikes. Nice. Let's throw some of this sauce on here. Voila. Look at this guy, huh? Look at this guy. Blackstone Griddle, 2 thumbs up. Signing out.